Tuh, tiga.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Perkenalkan kami dari kelas 443C05. Di sini kami akan mengajukan tugas membuat video percakapan untuk memenuhi tugas UTS. Perkenalkan, nama saya Peggy Mafiro dengan NIM 44231943 dan di sebelah kanan saya ada rekan saya.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Indra Ahmad Rizky dengan NIM 44231303.
Kenalkan, nama saya Dimas Arya Saputra dengan NIM 44230654.
Di sini kami akan membuat video percakapan dengan tema reuni setelah 1 tahun lulus dari sekolah.
I can't believe it's been a year already. It feels like just yesterday. We were all getting ready to graduate, and now here we are. How have you to been?
It's crazy how fast time flies. I've been got actually after graduation. I took some time off to think about what I want to do. I've been working part-time at a local bookstore. It's been kind of a kid year, but I've learned a lot about myself. How about you, Peggy?
Wow, 1 year it feel like I've been out of high school forever. For me, it's been a bit of a whirlwind. I'm in my first year of college, studying computer science. It's been pretty intense, but I'm starting to find my rhythm. I'm also living in the dorms, so I'm adjusting to that new lifestyle, but I'm doing well overall. How about you, Dimas?
I'm doing great. I'm still college studying environmental science. It's been a challenging year, but I learned so much. I feel like I'm growing a lot, not just terms of academic, but also in how I handle things emotionally. It's been a big transition. Do you feel like that too? Like we have a challenge a lot in just 1 year, Dra?
Definitely. I mean, I was so sure about everything back in high school. I'd have a clear path by now, but I am realizing that it's okay to take some time to figure things out. I used to be a lot more stressed and anxious about the future, but now I'm learning to just go with the flow a little more. I am definitely more relaxed about things than I was last year.
I totally get that, Indra. I used to be so worried about whether I was making the right decisions. But now I'm starting to see that it's okay to not have everything figured out yet. I think I have become more patient with myself this year. In high school, I always feel like I had to know exactly what I wanted to do, but now I'm realizing that it's process.
Actually, I feel like we all were in such a rush to grow up, to have everything figured out. And now we were realizing that it's okay to take our time. I've been working on being kinder to myself too. I've always been hard on myself when things don't go as planned. But this past year, I've I live running to take a steps back and just breathe. It's been really helpful for my mental health.
Yeah, I think that's something I'm working on too. Not putting so much pressure on myself to be perfect or have it all together all the time. I've been reading a lot of books about personal growth and it's been a opening. It's funny how we're also different now from how we were in high school.
I know, right? High school felt like such a different world. But speaking of personal growth, I've also picked up some new hobbies this year. I started learning how to play the piano. I have always wanted to, but I never had the time of energy in high school. It's been such a great escape for me, especially when I'm stressed out with schoolwork.
That's amazing, Peggy. I didn't know you were into music. I have actually picked up a new hobby to grading. I have always loved nature, but I never really had the space of or time to try it out. This year, I start growing some plants in my apartment, and it's been so rewarding. Three something really peaceful about watching something grow under your care.
That sounds so relaxing. I've been trying to get into photography this year. I've always loved taking pictures, but I never took it seriously. Now I've been experimenting with different types of photography, nature, port- portraits, and even street photography. It's been so fun to capture moments I make otherwise forget.
Whoa, that's so cool. Indra, I didn't realize you were into photography. I'd love to see some or of your pictures sometime. It's funny how we all ended up discovering new things about ourselves after graduation. I always thought I'd be so busy with school that I wouldn't didn't have time for anything else. But I've found that talking time for my hobbies really helps me stay balanced.
I completely agree. I used to think I did have time for anything outside of school, but now I make time for my hobbies because they really help me un- unwind and recharge. I have been thinking a lot about how important it is to have a balance between work, school, and personal time. We can always be on right track.
Actually, I think that's something I've learned this past year. How to create a balance. It's so easy to get caught up in the hustle and thought about your well-being. I used to be the kind of person who would feel guilty for taking a break, but now I really realize how necessary it is for my mental health.
That's such an important realization. I've been feeling that way too. Is especially with college. There's always this pressure to do more, be more. But I'm learning to recognize when I need a break. It's okay to step back and just take care of myself for a bit.
Exactly. I think that's one of the biggest changes I have noticed in myself. This year, I used to be a total workaholic, always stressing over deadline and grades. But now, I'm learning to let go a little and focus on self-care. On self-care. It's been a game changer. I feel so much more at peace.
That's really inspiring, Dimas. I think we all come a long way, and I think one of the best things about this past year is realizing that it's okay to change. It's okay to not have everything figured out, and it's okay to take care of ourselves along the way.
Yes, absolutely. I think the big lesson I've learned is to be kind to myself and give myself the space to grow at my own pace. Everyone moves through life differently, and that's okay. I used to compare myself to others a lot, but now I'm more focused on my own journey.
I feel the same way. I think we have all become so much more self-aware. I kind to ourselves, and I think that that's what's going to make us even more successful in the long run, not just academically or professionally, but in terms of your overall happiness and well-being.
Totally, I think this year has really been about finding who we are outside of high school. It's like we're finally stepping into our true self, not the version of us that everyone expects us to be.
I agree, and I am so glad we could meet up today. It's been so great catching up with you both. I love hearing about everything you've been doing, and it's comforting to know that we are all going through similar things, even if we are on different paths.
Yeah, some here. I'm really happy we did this. It's so nice to have this conversation to share where we at and how much we have changed in just 1 year. Let's not wait too long to do this again.
For sure, I think it's really important to stay in touch and keep supporting each other through this crazy journey. We are all figuring it out, but we're going to together. It's together.
Absolutely. Here is to many more reunions and growth along the way.
Cheers, cheers. To that, let's planning another reunion soon. Okay?
Definitely, and we all bring something new to share. Whether it's a new hobby, new lessons learned, or just a new chapter in our lives.
Sounds perfect. I can wait.
Sekian dari kami. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.